So if you're clicking on this video, odds are you have a vehicle with a sunroof and you're experiencing water inside the cabin of the vehicle and you think it might be your sunroof. If so, here's how to check and then how to fix that issue. So on this Cadillac DTS I'm working on, we're looking at two primary drains for the sunroof. See, when the sunroof closes, it doesn't make a 100% seal. A little bit of water gets around this edge and gets on that tray, but that's okay, because you have drain tubes going down your A-pillar to allow the excess water to run out of the vehicle. So the first way to check and make sure that they are draining before we start messing with stuff is we can look down here and let's put the camera to the right a little bit. And there's a small hole right there where that beam is shining. So what we want to do is we want to pour some water on this plastic tray and then watch and see if it's running out of that hole. So let's go ahead and grab a little bit of water and we're just going to pour it on this black plastic, and you can see that drain right there, and that's what we're watching. And on this side we can see the water is flowing. You see bubbles, you see, actually it might have clogged right there. Okay, so it's actually slightly clogged, it seems. It was flowing all right a second ago, but this is great for purposes of the video. It seems to have a slight restriction. See how it's holding water like that? So I'm gonna show you all what we have to do with that. So that means that the water is not flowing down the A-pillar and onto the ground. You'll see drips right here if your drains are working. So what I'm gonna do is you get an air hose with some compressed air. And for this case, I have a little piece of 1/4 inch hard air line that'll let me get down in there. And we're just gonna lightly blow some air pressure into this drain. And what that's gonna do is just go ahead and clear whatever debris is in that line. And you'll know it's clear because you will hear the air start to come out down there. So go ahead, spray some compressed air in there. Let's see, I doubt I can do this with one hand, but we'll try. Okay, I heard some air come out, and let's see if we've got water on the ground. There we go. So that drain is now cleared. And I've already done the same thing on the other side. So now whenever water overfills and gets on that drain pan, it'll run down the pillars and not overflow and get in your cabin or your vehicle. So if you're seeing water stains on the headliner or the seat, like right there, we got a little water stain, and that whole passenger compartment just smells like water. This is a simple thing to start with. Takes no parts, takes about 20 minutes of time if you got air. And like I said, you'll know you've done it right whenever you pour water on that tray and you see it dripping down there. So we've got that side is good. And run over here and check that side too. And yes, we got water running down over here. So hopefully that was a quick, comprehensive video. I know there's a ton of videos about this, but I wanted to make one that really showed, where the water goes, and it was more comprehensive. So hopefully that helps you out, and you'll have a good day.